Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up on your site. So it is very easy, and to create a pop-up you just do it like you create a page. So we start with a blank page here. I will create something very simple, and it will have an image and an opt-in box at the right. So let's create a layout. So row layout would be, I think, okay, this, and make the page a bit bigger. So increase to 600 pixel. And now I need an image. Sorry, I need an image. I need an image here. And also I need a text, some text elements, and a form. And that's it. That is the layout I want to have for my page. So first of all, I need to change the image. I click on the edit button here and click on change image, and I need to I'm going to create a quick pop-up for how to negotiate your salary. I use this image. So this is the image. So the title, the text element here would be 10 secret to negotiate your salary. You may come up with something better, but for the purpose of the example, I keep that short and simple like that. Heading 2, maybe heading 1, okay, something like that. And I'm sorry, we don't need a text element here, or we need a list element here, saying the benefits of the book. Okay, so top 10. Okay, how to get maximum salary. Okay, how to negotiate best position, something like that. Okay, something like that. Maybe sometime 3 is fine, or okay, and much more. Maybe I want to change the icon color to something like this. This looks better. And now the last element is the form. So I have my form pre-made here. I copy it, and then back to the page. I click on the pencil and paste here. So this is our form. This is our form, and you can see that it is not very nice looking. We may need to change the image to something bigger, or make the page a bit bigger, maybe 700, something like that. Maybe we need a bigger image. I think if we don't have two input box, that the form would be better. So okay, maybe okay. You should not delete the elements on your form like this, or it may not work. Depends on your autoresponder. So I think I will need to change the code a bit. So I'll pause the video, and so welcome back. I need to change the form a bit, so I copy it again here, and then edit the form container here and paste the code here. Now we have one field, which is the email, and it seems the page is a bit nicer. Okay, or okay, I think that will work. So we edit the text, placeholder, enter your best email, something like that, and our page is ready. So before clicking on the save button, we need to give it a name. So sorry, something like that. And you may also want to give uh, the page maybe something like an image, a background image, and so I will select a background image here, but I don't know. Let's see. I don't have any good one here, so there's a page where you can get very good images, and it is free. So yeah, feel free to go wallpaperswide.com and search for sorry. So we may search a job. No, not this guy. Maybe office. Search for that. Okay, this seems to be a good one. So I downloaded. This resolution is cool. Click on download. Yes, I save it. Now I upload my background image. Okay, so click on use this image and close the file. The last thing I would want to give the this part a background, a color. So I go to here and give the background color, maybe white, something like that. Maybe we want to give it a color, border radius to make the corners curve a bit. So I put 5 here. So that's it all. Now I click on save. And when you want to create a pop-up, you should save the page as a custom post. So I click on here. Now the page is saved. So we need to go to back to our dashboard and go to the WP plus X here and click on pop-ups. And here you can see I have created some options here. In order for the pop-up to appear on your page, you need to create an option. So that is what we're going to do now. I click on create pop-up here. And the first thing you need to do is to give the option a name, a pop-up a name. So maybe salary pop-up. And here you can select the list of the pages we created here. Okay, so negotiate salary. And where you want to display the pop-up, I choose homepage only, but you can choose whole site. If you want to display the pop-up on individual post or page, you should use the shortcode, which I will cover in a different video. Position on page should be, let me see, I want bottom right. And how to show up, you have 3 options here. A mouse exits, or after page load, or after a percentage of a vertical scroll. Now I choose after page load, for example, after 3 seconds. And after close, after the visitor close the pop-up, what you want to do, either you can keep showing the pop-up, or you don't show it up, show it again, ever. I would recommend that you choose this option, but you could also choose this. Okay, so click on save option. Now we have our options saved. Now go to our home page, visit site, and after 3 seconds you should see the pop-up. Okay, so here it is. Here is our pop-up, and very quite nice and clean. And that is how the button looks a bit different. I think it is because the default color of the button on this it depends on the template. So let me try to go back to change the color style, change the button a bit, background color. I want to change it to something, okay, something like that. Okay, now I click on save. As before, custom post. Please don't worry if you accidentally click on save as page. You can click on save again and save as custom post, no problem. Now we reload our page, and after 3 seconds pop-up should appear, and here you have the button nice and clean. So that is how you can create and set up a pop-up on your site. If you have any question, feel free to contact me for support. And also, if you want to close the pop-up, simply click the close button here. And by the way, you can see the page, the pop-up looks really good on mobile devices. Let me try emulate it on a phone. Click here, and you see it works really well. This is the on Nexus 5X iPhone 6, and I think it will work really well on iPhone 6 Plus too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next videos.